Hey everyone, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can remove an XML sitemap from a Google Search Console account. Let's get started. First, log into your Google Search Console account and from this drop-down, select the right property for which you want to remove the sitemap. Then click on Sitemaps under Indexing. If you don't see sitemaps, then click this drop-down to see it. Click on Sitemaps. Here you will see all your sitemaps. Currently there is only one sitemap for this website. So click on the sitemap which you want to delete. Then go to the top right hand side and click on these three dots. Then click on Remove Sitemap. Again click Remove. Google will now stop fetching this sitemap in future crawls. So this is how you can remove a sitemap from a Google Search Console account. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.